First one, you can use any kind of tools, materials, electronic devices, software in the exam. I stated that many times. I think it should be okay. But no discussion, no talking during the class. Okay. Just one more thing I need to remind everyone. About our grading policy. The first one. Sorry, I forgot to put it here. As usual, the attendance should be equal to or more than 2/3, and students need to join or need to take 2 exams. That is it. That's it. They are basic requirement to pay this course. I think no one has question about that. Oh, I forgot to place the okay. I think I will put it on. Okay, and here. And I know some students cannot take the midterm on this time. Thus, I promise I will not. Your classmate may not have chance to take the exam now. And you need to promise you will not leak, talk, share any information about the midterm in a week. Is it okay? Because next week I will explain this. If students have any kind of difficulty to join the midterm, please let me know. Okay. And here, question with a symbol triangle. Triangle means please show the charts or diagrams on the computer screen. Sure, I changed the way this time. To me for grading. But do not forget the diagram, the title, the x-axis and y-axis, and I will check it. Is it okay for you? Okay, so you don't need to upload your file to my cloud. Okay, and please sign here. I understand the rules, and sure, when I was a student in the US, we always sign this kind of information because we know and we will not leak the information to the student. Okay. Question number 1. Here is a survey about the laptop brand and owned by the college students. Just a reminder, you can find the similar questions in the last year, but the details are different. If you just follow the previous data, you will not get a score. You will know that. I will explain it next week. So please calculate by yourself. And here, I cannot prohibit you to use AI. But just a reminder, sometimes the AI will not give you the correct answer. So I encourage you, since we have close to 2 hours, you can stay here and study, think about the textbook, think about the principles, then come down, then calculate this one. Okay, we did a similar calculation, right? Please find the computer brains here and frequency and relative frequency and angles in degrees when preparing a pie chart. Okay, and here 1 mark for each blank. And please make a diagram here. And please show it to me before you surrender your test paper. Is it okay? And the second question, show the diagram to me. 5 marks. Okay. And the question number 2, Dr. Zhang selects 8 dogs in an animal hospital and their weights are like this one. Please list the numbers from small to big, from left to right. 8 marks here. Okay. Then please find the median. Do you remember the median? Okay. If you forget it, you can check the textbook. I think it's a good chance to review the definition again. Please find the sample average to 3 decimals. Okay. Then question number 3. Suppose a vet wants to analyze the weight of a cat in a pet store. Okay. The weight in kilogram. So you don't need to write the kilogram here. Okay. Of the 7 cats are selected, they are this one. Please find the X bar, the mean, the median, the minimum cat weight, and the maximum cat weight, and the range. And again, I don't encourage you, but I cannot prohibit you to use AI, to use that. But next week, when I explain those questions, I will use two ways. The first way, the traditional way, it helps you to understand the question. The second way, I will use, not AI, I will use some useful software. They can get the answer in a few seconds. Next week, I will do it. And please find the 7 case here. The 7 case here. List it from small to big, and find the weight minus the average to 1 decimal, not 1 decimal, not s, okay, and find the number x minus x bar and get the square value to 2 decimals, like this one. Then to calculate, my question, to calculate the standard deviation in this case, we need to use n or n minus 1 in the denominator. Please select one, either one. 2 marks. Please calculate the standard deviation here. Okay, then question number 4. Okay, about the money, those money in billions in Taiwan banks, and sorry, I forgot to use. Okay, I forgot to remove this one. I'm sorry. Actually, next week I will show you how to use this website. Then you can get the answer in a few seconds. But I don't encourage you to use it now. Next week I will tell you how to do that. Sorry, I forgot to remove this one. Okay, I encourage you to get that by your own. And next week I will demonstrate how to use this one. I'll do that. Okay, what's the number? What's the minimum? What's the Q1? What's the median? What's the Q3? What's the maximum? What's the IQR? What does it mean, IQR? The definition, please check the textbook. What's the mode? What's the range? What's the mean? Okay, you have enough time. You can answer this. Okay, question number 5. Suppose you conduct an experiment when you pull a card from a standard deck. Okay, and please keep the denominator as 52. You don't need to cancel it. Just keep the denominator as 52. The probability of getting a club in the number less than 8. What's the probability? Please answer here. Probability of getting a card that is equal to or larger than 7. Please write down the answer here. And question number 6. Suppose you experiment to roll the A, B, C 3 pair dice. How many combinations are there in a sample space? What's the definition? Please check the textbook, sample space. And list the events of getting a sum of 5. Okay, very similar to the last exam, but details are different. What's the probability of getting a sum of 17? Probability, just give me the answer, probability. Okay, then next question. About the normal distribution probability. Please answer questions with many decimals, so you can condense it with for 3 decimals. Okay, the same data, the pregnancy, the mean 272, and standard deviation is 9 days. Okay, the first question, find the probability of pregnancy lasting more than 285 days. Yes, very similar to the textbooks. Thus, you can use the same way but change the data here. What's the z-score? What's the area to the left? And what's the probability? And now, find the probability pregnancy less than 255 days. Z-score, area to the left, and the probability. And find the pregnancy between 260 and 280. Find the z-score, find the area to the left, find the z-score, find the area to the left. Then, with appropriate calculation, you will get a probability. Number 4, find the pregnancy about the 50% for all pregnancy less than that. As we practiced the last time, find the z-score, find the area to the left, and find the z-score. Then find the z-score, then calculate the location of it. Okay, so far any question? Again, you don't need to show me the just show me 2 diagrams before you leave. Is it okay? You can if you are afraid the computer will get crashed or something like this, you will take a picture or screenshot on your computer. Is okay? Again, no discussion, no talking during the classroom. Is okay? Okay. And I wish you everybody have a nice exam today. Where is the sign-in form? Okay, next. Let's say to next.